and it is a pleasure to welcome you to the 2023 BEST Conference. So you may know the acronym BEST stands for Building Employment Skills for Successful Transitions.
Really great to see this event continuing in person, and it's great to have you all here today.
Perfect. Well, can you hear me okay? Do you want to? Okay. Just making sure.
My philosophy is always education takes you to where you want to be. And all of a sudden there's a new avenue for them to get employment later on, for them to upskill what they've already learned and to stay here in Nova Scotia.
Put the foot on the door for your first job, right? That is definitely the biggest challenge that an international student could face.
First 20 minutes in interview is the most crucial 20 minutes.
So that I just want you to use that precious time with that potential employer to showcase your best self.
Whoever you're applying to, whatever you want to do for your next best opportunity, whether that is grad school, whether that is employment, whether that is starting your own business, you know in the depths of your soul that you are an awesome person and can do that.
Nova Scotia has a lot to offer. We need you and we want you to stay here.
That's why we're offering this awesome program. Make sure to get you trained and educated. That way you can make a life here.